Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Walmart Affiliate Program. This program allows you to earn commissions by promoting millions of products from a trusted brand. You can leverage your platform to share great deals and products with your audience. It's a fantastic way to monetize your content and provide value to your followers, all while partnering with a major retailer. To get started, you will apply through the Impact Radius Network, which manages the Walmart Affiliate Program. You'll need to provide details about your website or social media channels where you plan to promote products. The approval process usually takes a few business days, so be patient. Once approved, you gain access to all the tools and resources needed to begin earning. With access to millions of products, you can choose items that resonate with your audience. Use deep linking to direct your followers straight to specific product pages, enhancing their shopping experience. Commissions vary by category, but you can earn up to 4% on many qualifying sales. This means every successful referral contributes directly to your earnings. To maximize your earnings, focus on creating engaging, high-quality content that genuinely helps your audience. Don't limit yourself to one platform. Explore various channels like blogs, social media, and email newsletters. Regularly review your performance data to understand what works best. Adjust your strategies based on these insights to continuously improve your affiliate income over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.